It's Tanya. Welcome back to Crafty Cards and Journals. Today I have a really huge scrapbook haul or junk journal haul. And normally on Mondays I put up the creative art journal. That will be up this Wednesday, so you're not going to miss this. I'm filming this after dark, and it's also very rainy. I have my ring lights on, but you're going to notice some shadows, and there's not much I can do about it. Okay, this wonderful scrapbook haul or junk journal haul is coming from Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Walmart, McDonald's, and an Etsy shop. So let's hop right into it. All right, the first place we're going to go is Michael's. I was in there and I would always recommend, if you buy these Recollections Christmas paper pads, that you get them when you have you can save some money. I'm a rewards member and I had a $10 off coupon. These originally are $19.99, but I got mine for $8 and something. So I picked this one up the other day, the little 6x6, which is double-sided, and I love it. But I went ahead and picked up the 12x12. And this is what you see in here. Delicious gingerbread. I love it. Okay, you get 2 pages of each. This looks like a beautiful green sweater. I love it. And then look at all this hot chocolate, gingerbread baking company, old-fashioned gingerbread. I just love this. Baking Spirits Bright. And then check this out. These it reminds me of the leaves on a Christmas tree, but they're gold foiled, and that's a really pretty, almost like a purplish color background, but not a real vibrant purple. Then check this out. Is this not absolutely adorable? You could cut this out. You could do whatever you wanted to with it. I love it. Then this looks like, it comes across quite nicely. It looks like fur. I love this. Okay, and then you got this, the gingerbread, that just looks like this. Stunning. Then look at this with the Christmas trees. I love this. The pattern and the gold foiling is everything. Then you have some of these that you can use for postcards, these little cut-aparts. Then they have this wood. I think it looks very deep and rich. Okay, and then we have this green. It's a really pretty green. I think it complements the rest of these papers very nicely. And then check this out. I love this. It reminds me of the icing on the gingerbread. Then these really pretty green and brown trees. You got the dark green, light green, and then that brown. Love it. Then some of these gingerbread snowflakes. And that really looks so dimensional. It looks like it's raindrops or snowdrops. I love it. Then here is this. You could cut these apart, do with what you wanted, or keep it whole. Then here is this green. I love that. Some more cut aparts you can use as tags. Whatever you wanted to do, you could turn these into pockets. I love it. Then here's another sweater design, but it's in this cream that is beautiful. Then you get this. Once again, it reminds me of icing that's on gingerbread with that gold foiling, with that really pretty purplish background. Then some more of these. I just think this is beautiful. Then you get this. I think it's a nice addition to the paper pads. It breaks up a lot of the other designs. And then here is this. It just looks like leaves off of a Christmas tree that have just been scattered. Then here is this. That is beautiful. Then this is just gorgeous in itself. You could do so much with that. And then here's some more of these little cut-aparts that are quite large. You could use them for pockets. You could turn them into little journals. There's so much that you can do with this. Then here's the poinsettias. Some people call them poinsettias, but I just say poinsettias, so that's how that is. And then this is so cute. Oh, I love this. This is just primo. And then we have some more of this fern, like from the Christmas tree, the branches. Some more of this. Look at that and look at this. I can't even. And that is everything that is in this one. And you got 29 designs, 2 sheets a piece. And then, like I said, I got the 6x6, and it is double-sided. I really wish this had been double-sided. It really would have given me a good flair, but it wasn't. But that's okay. Now we'll hop to McDonald's. I am late in the game, but I'm here. That's the main thing, okay? McDonald's had these adult Happy Meals, okay? And I just found out about it probably 2.5 weeks ago. And I started trying to find them. Well, they stopped selling these in September. Well, Melvin left for sea trials, and before he left, I said, hey, I'm trying to find these little adult Happy Meal gifts that came with it. Do you think you can try to find me some? So he went to one McDonald's, and the manager was like, that's over, yada yada, because you can find these on Etsy, okay? And they vary in prices, which you can still get. But he went to this other McDonald's, and the manager said, oh, if you'd only shown up yesterday, I had cases of these, and I was trying to give them away. Well, she ended up, I think, finding 6 or 9 of these and gave them to Melvin. And I ordered 2 off of Etsy. I ordered Hamburglar and I ordered Grimace, I think. But he got, oh my gosh, I've got Fry Friends. I've got Ronald McDonald. I've got another Hamburglar, another Grimace. I just have so many you wouldn't believe that are different, and I'm thrilled. So anyway, we're going to, not today, but I want to show you what you can do if you can get your hands on these Happy Meals, and you may have already seen this. I'm going to take this and turn this into a journal, the box. It comes wrapped in this. I think it is so cute. Then inside, you have this little tin, which I think is adorable. And then you have McDonald's Land Passport. That's all about the Hamburglar. You have all these stickers. And we're going to turn this into a cute junk journal. And I cannot wait to show you what we're going to do with all this. You may have already seen it, but I'm going to put my spin on it. And I love it. And then it has 2 of these little postcards. So I'm really stoked about finding all this. I was thrilled when he came home. Before he left, he told me what he found, but they were wrapped, so I didn't know what individual ones I had. And like I said, I'm beyond myself, okay? Then from Etsy, I'll try to link the shop below. It is Lost X Vision on Etsy. I got these adorable stickers to go with it, and then she sent me 2 freebies. But look at this. This is like chicken McNuggets. This is like a McNugget in a dipping sauce. A drink. Fries. A gigantic hamburger. And these were the 2 freebies. So if you want to see what I do with all this, I think you're really going to enjoy it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Then subscribe, like the video, and you'll be able to see. Okay, next I want to go to Walmart really quickly because the majority of this haul is coming from Hobby Lobby. Okay, at Walmart I picked up another composition notebook, okay, because I wanted that kind of thin front again. I picked that up. Then I picked up some of this little DMC floss for cross stitch, and I wanted to get this really pretty red. And they have their seasonal fabric. You can get 1 yard pre-cuts, and I think this was like 5 something. It's much cheaper to go to Walmart than Hobby Lobby. All right, now, but Hobby Lobby's Christmas fabric is half off, I think it was. Now, this was not Christmas fabric, so it wasn't on sale. This is, now we're starting Hobby Lobby, but I loved it. So I got, I think it was 3/4 of a yard in that. 3/4 of a yard in this. That's so cute. 3/4 of a yard in this. 3/4 of a yard of this. I think this is so adorable. And then I really wanted dogs, but I didn't like the dog ones they had, but these little cat ones were adorable. So I got 3/4 of a yard of this. It's so bright and colorful. And then the last one was I got 3/4 of a yard of this. I love that stripe. Thought it would be perfect. Okay, all of Hobby Lobby's Christmas is 50% off. All right. So I got these and I thought, oh, how cute. Pre-made little gingerbread charms would be perfect to hang off of the junk journals. So I picked this up, $2.99, 50% off. Then I got these. Now, I don't know how well I like the color of this. The candy canes, you got 20 pieces. Okay. Then I needed some more beads that were like Christmas beads, and they have the smaller holes. So I got this. You got 600 pieces, $6.49, but 50% off. We are going to have so much fun. Then I picked this up. Is this not the cutest little gingerbread? Oh, I can't stand it. It's My Little Christmas. Okay, $5.99, but 50% off makes this very affordable, and I loved it all. And this is plastic right here. Love it. Then I couldn't stop myself. I got these little miniatures from My Little Christmas. I love the candy cane. This is like a house. Gingerbread boy and girl, another house, and the stocking. Loved it. Then the cookies. Who could not resist these adorable My Little Christmas gingerbread cookies? And perfect in journals. Then I really like these. Christmas bead treasures. Already pre-made into a little cute charm. So you got 4 of those. Then I needed some more beads. If you'll remember from my last episode, I need to get those long gold. I don't know what they're called, but you put them down on the bead, turn it, and crimp it. But these beads are, if I can find a hole, they're a lot smaller, you can see. And I think this will make gorgeous, gorgeous charms. Then I got this. Look at this. It's got little reindeer. It's got the peppermints in different colors. I think it even has, it has a Santa. I think that's a tree. Pretty sure it's a Christmas tree. I just love that. Then I got these. They had this in smaller, I'm hooked, I gotta get it loose. They had this in little smaller ones that you could thread through, but I thought, you know what, I could get this and I can do what I want to do and get a lot more for my money. So I picked this up. Love these little Christmas lights. Then these little novelty beads that are gummy bears. These are bigger than the other ones that I have. And these have a hole in them. So you can actually string through them, and it's a smaller hole. So I thought that would be good. And the beads were 30% off, just the regular beads. So I liked that. Then My Little Christmas, I've bought these so many times for different crafts, but I picked these up. These are the smaller ones. They have the larger ones, but I wanted these. Then I got some of these candy canes that look so cold and frosty. Perfect. Then I picked this up. It's little dice. And I thought, you know, that would be perfect for some dangles and charms. So I picked that up. Once again, the novelty beads were 30% off. Then I got some of these little jingle bells that are mini in red and green. You got 75 pieces and $1.99 and 50% off. That's a good deal. Then I wanted to get this. Melvin found this and I thought, oh my gosh, how vintage does that look? It says Merry Christmas with Santa. Perfect. And this was 50% off as well. And I love that little cameo look. Then I got these. I could have picked these up at the Dollar Tree, but I wasn't there. And $3.99, 50% off, 75 pieces. I thought that was a good deal. So I got the gold ones. Then I wanted to go ahead and get these little charms. Now these were still 50% off because it's Christmas. Okay, and it says Noel. It has a glove. It has a stocking. It has Santa. I think it has a key. It just has a wreath. It has a bunch of really cute little pieces in there. Then I had to get these snowmen. Can you tell I am beyond ready for Christmas? I am so ready. I thought these would make gorgeous charms to hang off your junk journals. And they're already made, okay? And then I got some smaller little rick-rack. They didn't have this the last time I was in there, this really small. So I wanted to go ahead and get it. It was $1.99. I think this was, I don't know if this was on sale. I don't think the ribbon was on sale this week, but it was $1.99. And you got 4 yards. So I love that. Then I got these. I couldn't help myself. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer little set, okay? It was $24.99, but 50% off made it, I thought, very affordable because you got Clarice, Rudolph, you got the guy that wanted to be the dentist, Frosty, and Santa, and the Abominable Snowman, and they are already ready to be charms. I had to get some Fabri-Fix. Now, I have Fabri-Tac that is really big, but I hadn't used it for so long. I think it's dried out. I can't really seem to get anything out of it. So I went ahead and got Fabri-Fix. I think it's the same thing. I don't understand why one says Fabri-Fix and one says Fabri-Tac, but I got that. Now let's go to Dollar Tree. I picked up, I don't know which I like the best, but number 10 envelopes, okay? I can't wait to show you what we're going to do with this. 30 count, okay? And then this is 40 count of number 10 envelopes. These have the security. I don't think it's really going to matter, but, and they're made a little different. So I got those. Then I got these smaller ones, the number 6 3/4. And you get 50 in this, and I was thinking I could make something a little smaller of what I'm going to make with the big. Then I have seen this in Dollar Tree before, these little eraser books that are Dr. Seuss, but I'm going to do something else with these besides making them erasers. I cannot wait. You probably already know what I'm going to do. If you do, comment down in the description box and tell me what you think I'm going to do with this, because you probably already know. But I thought, how cute. Okay, so I got 2 packs of that. And then the last thing that I picked up, I saw this Play Money at the Dollar Tree, and I thought, how fun. So I got 1 pack. There's 120 pieces in this. And I thought I could take this and put them in the journals. So I just really I'm thrilled with everything that I found. If you enjoyed this scrapbook haul or junk journal haul, then like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.